Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. Today is Wednesday, November the 4th. The time is around 4 a.m. GMT. It's election night here. Market is volatile as expected. Now we are going to update on the euro dollars. This is a 60-minute chart. We can see the euro dollars right now. It declines, right? It drops. Currently within the Y in the blue, and the Y in the blue subdivides into another WXY in the minor degree. So the Y in the intermediate degree now is in progress as a WXY in the minor degree. Okay, so we got this W as a zigzag ABC in the black or minor degree, and then the X is in the form of an expanded flat, ABC expanded flat. Then we have resumed on the downside again. So now as long as we stay below this X here, 117.70, we could see for the downside in the euro dollars in the shorter cycle. Now, but I want to take a look at the more important sort of direction and ideas over here, right? If we take a look at the 4-hour chart, let's put this into perspective. This X in blue is over here, so that means this is our W in blue. We did break below W in blue right now, so we are talking about the cycle that started from this peak here, which is September the 1st. So from September the 1st, you have what looks to be a 3 swing, right? 1, 2, and now you're doing the Y leg to the downside. Now over here, this subdivision here, it does look like a 3 waves, like an ABC type of subdivision, which if it is, then that suggests this is not an impulse. The move here is not an impulse. This is a corrective structure coming down from September the 1st. And if we are indeed going to reach the 100%, then we could potentially go to this area 114.80. But right, but if this is corrective, if this is only of 3 waves, that suggests that this again is only a corrective structure, and therefore from here, if we reach here, we can get buyers from here either go to new high or at least bounce in 3 ways, right? So that's the idea. Also, remember, if this is corrective, that means the trend is not on the downside, right? So that means this current move is a counter trend. If that's the case, if it is a counter trend always is less powerful than the trend. So that means you never know whether it reaches a full 100% or not. If it is, then that's great. That's gonna be the extreme area in which we can see buyers from here. And also, if we take a look at the weekly chart, now this is even more interesting. We break above this 2008 major bearish channel, right, in the euro dollars. We broke above it decisively, and currently trying to correct that. We're trying to pull back, and imagine we are really doing this 7 swing into that blue box, which is also retesting that same trend line. So you got a double support between this 100% extension as well as trend line. So we should be looking for support pretty soon, especially if we can go to this area at the higher 114 right here. Okay, so yes, we can see a little bit more downside in the euro dollars, but I think overall, if we take a look at the 4-hour weekly, that suggests that this looks to be correction. Therefore, once this is over, we could see support for the next big move to the upside. All right, so that's the idea for today. And as always, please, if you do want to check our service, we have 14 days free trial, and you can find the link to the trial in the description of the video below. We also still run the 2-for-1 promotion for the US election, so you can get 2 months subscription from the price of 1 month. Again, the link is all in the description of the video. I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.